Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanmay Sanap and today's topic is that how you can win on every social media platform. So let's get started with our topic. So I have divided this topic in three subcategories. First is winning, second is understanding the platform, and third is how. So let's get started. So you have to win on these social media platforms, but you have to first decide what is winning for you. So for me, winning is just I want 100 people to watch this video, get educated and get the solution for their required problem. Like I have written this problem inside in the title. So I want winning for me is just 100 people watch this video, get the solution, and yes, I won. So for what is winning for you? So when you post on Instagram, why you post that post, you should know the goal of you should know the purpose of your post, your video, or any social thing you do. Like you tweet on Twitter, why you tweet on, why you want to tweet that tweet on Twitter. You post on Instagram, why you want to post on Instagram. What is the end goal of that post? What is the end goal of that video? What is the end goal of that particular tweet? So you have to understand what is winning for you, and accordingly you have to start. Your purpose of winning can be anything. Like you want most people watch your videos, you want to sell something through your videos, you want to educate people through your videos, or anything. It depends upon you. Okay, so first thing is you have to decide what is winning for you. Let's get to the second point. Second thing is that understand the platform. So what is mean by understanding the platform? Understanding the platform is people open every platform for different reasons. People open Instagram to chill, to relax, for quick knowledge, for quick shorts, for reels, and that type of short quick knowledge. Okay, and people open YouTube to educate themselves. They have some problems, they have some queries, because YouTube is a search engine as well. So people open different platforms for different reasons, and you have to understand and create content accordingly. So if I want Instagram people to watch this video, so what will I do? I will cut 1 minute of part from this video and post it on Instagram and redirect my Instagram audience to YouTube. This is how I will use these platforms. So understanding every feature of the platform is also important, that why people are making reels, what is IGTV, what is YouTube short, and we have to use these platforms every feature to the full extent. That's also important. And now I'm going to tell you that how, and the exact way that how you can win on this social media platform. So what do you do when you want to learn something new, or you stuck at any point? First thing, you try to solve that by yourself, or second, you get that knowledge you learn from someone else, and that's the answer. Number 3, how you're gonna win? Buy courses. This is the answer. If you want to grow faster on Instagram, buy Instagram mastery course. If you want to grow YouTube, then buy how you can grow on YouTube. There are hundreds of people who are putting their knowledge in the form of courses, and I agree that few of them are just putting stupid stuff, but I'm not telling that buy every single course. Just buy 4 to 5 quality stuff. Do research before buying that courses. Understand why these people are actually, who are these people, they are authentic or not authentic. Like I'm also selling 500 rupees course, but that doesn't mean that everyone should buy this course. If you need my course, you should buy my course, but before buying, who am I, why I'm selling courses, what is inside the course, is it useful for me? Take that knowledge as well. Okay, so my suggestion for you, that if you want to grow on any social media platform, let's say Instagram, then buy 4 to 5 courses of Instagram growth, Instagram mastery, anything else. They are just 500 rupees, 999 rupees. So you will spend 3,000 rupees, 3,000, 4,000 rupees on buying these courses. Then you'll take knowledge, and you'll spend a lot of time understanding this and study this platform. So I'm telling you that if you buy 5 courses on Instagram growth, let's say, then 3 of them will totally change your life. They will give you their lifetimes strategies, tactics, hacks, some knowledge, 3-day training, 4-day training, 5 hours live workshop, anything else, and that will help you to grow from where you are today. That will help you to put one step and go one step ahead of where you stuck. And that's what you have to do. You have to buy quality 3 to 4 courses. If you can buy 1 course only, and if it's authentic, then it also can change your life. Once you buy these courses, start exploring, start putting in work. you'll understand and you'll get experience, and you'll understand, okay, now this is how these platforms work and this is how you have to grow, and you will then explore everything by yourself. And it takes time. When you're 60 days, 120 days, 160 days, it's okay. These platforms are bigger platforms and people are trying to explore these things from so many days. So my suggestion is that you start buying courses that are not costly, and few of them are very good courses. I also have bought a lot of courses and that's helped me to grow, and I have planned to buy more courses which are costly right now, but I'll buy them because that's what gonna help me grow. So if you like my video, just you know what you have to do, and thank you for watching.